Hey guys, what's up? So we made it to the end of the season here. I'm not looking too bad over here. So I just wanted to share with you guys just a little bit of my journey this year and what I went through as I go through the last mow of the season. I think it's the last mow, but we'll see. On the surface, the grass is looking thick and healthy. The tree removal project was an absolute success. The RTF is coming in great. I still have quite a bit of work to do to get the front in check, but I think I'm going to switch up my game plan in 2023. And of course, you have to put the finishing touches on by edging it up and giving it a nice crispy edge. Whenever I need a little pick-me-up, I always come out and look at this side of the yard because it never lets me down.
This is the last mow of the season and the lawn looks great!
So, I don't know, next year, who knows what my content is going to look like. But I will tell you that I know that I have healthy grass over here. I'm absolutely positive that my soil is getting better. And I am close, very close to dialing this in perfectly for my lawn. So I hope you stick around. I'm going to share as many tips and tricks as I can with you. And see you next time.